Yes.
Yazini, izifanya ngikushuthe ushilo yesakho.
Ukusho.
Masake boss. 1 2 3 go.
Yes.
Yazini, phendula manje, shophaqa bakho. Phendula ubhele.
Chaza ngalowo ndlela yesona. Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, Rose wanted the Bluetooth speaker. Uncle Joe wanted the face mask and the mop. And then Fix wanted 2 pillows.
Man, are you sure Uncle Joe wanted the face mask?
Yeah, men use face mask too.
Yeah, but Uncle Joe nama face mask, he's 80.
But to the list says face mask. Yazin, focus on your list and let me do my thing.
Hi, okay. Ow, you didn't deliver anything.
Uncle Joe didn't need a face mask. Rose's delivery was meant for tomorrow, not today. I mixed up the date.
You see, we need Odu.
Doc, we can't afford to hire that person right now.
Odu is not a person. It's a platform and apps that can help us manage every aspect of our business. Kusukela ku accounting, kuya ku inventory, kuya ku sales and more. Odu has a website builder that can help us create our own websites and sell things online.
A website builder?
Yes, let me show you. With Odu, you get your website in just 4 steps. You choose the type of site you want, set your industry and goal, select your color scheme or upload your logo, add pages and features and voila!
Yeah. It's nice. But how much is all this?
The first app is free for life. So we can get our inventory app for free or build our own websites for free.
Okay, I hear you. Can you explain this Odu thing to me again? But explain it like I woke up with a hangover.
Okay. Odu, good platform. Odu has apps. Apps help manage business. Business grow. Us get websites. Websites help us sell to faraway people.
I said explain it like I have a hangover, not like I'm a caveman. I was here today.
Ayike, asike sibuyele emidlalweni wethu obuchu.
Engalele nomfethu. Ayike, phethe mafitoto. Phela lo mtshitha fesa umbamba inkunzi engethi ngijika. Kuse, abusajika. Mfethu, wangibamba nje.
Landela mina made the clean mark. Yeah, ufele empini manje sakucwebezela ngoba uyihasa. Sana mathe, ana sefike umsebenzi. Phana mashele.
Yes baba. Sure. Suka nje seniyazenzela mafana.
Ana sefike umsebenzi.
Sek, it's a phone.
Ana sefike umsebenzi.
Nah, it's a phone. Let's see phone.
First of all, I'm not like
phone.
West. I am really bragging till it's best. And if you face me, you need to show the best.
Awuta pesa ziphethu. Shone betelefoni lena pesa mina bethu.
Sihlangana lokushonelwa mina.
Insurance. Uyabona. 600 wami mahamba kanjalo. Okay mfethu at least bese ngishiya bese nanawu ke bese oversena bese ngisala bese ngicopha umlomo bese endleleni buka nje bese kuyabana bese
Ngcono niwomile uyaqhamula. Mina ayikho ingane engifuna senze ngibambe inkonzo.
balona leli mama
Letha.
ntombi yami phone yami bese
Ngizokubona.
ngixolisa futhi. Awuhambe kahle uhambe nezinyanya.
Yes. Oh, hayi ngeke bafowethu.
Unani?
Fuseka.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Kanti uyasaba. Fuseka letha la iPhone.
Ifona nginayo razo. Ifona nginayo razo. Lutho razo mina. Lutho bafo. Vele uthathe konke ke bafo. Ngoba manje usuthatha konke manje konke nakho nayo yena. Ifona razo nayo.
Fuseka.
Phela ungathi Fuseka usuthatha izinto zami.
Oh. Ngaxolisa mfowethu. Ngiyayizona.
Fuseka letha ke nawo. Konke lokho. Konke lokho. Letha razo. Letha. Salute. So, action.
Bese ngakawusho action qala nje.
Dale phansi.
Yeah,
Qala phansi.
1, 2. Okay, let's go, guys.
Isho wavela yena lo.
So into engingayisho kubantu abayimisele ngokwenza i-cash especially laba abancane ukuthi hlalana esikoleni. Isikole sibalulekile. Ngayenza this thing and yangaya phambili. Ngabuyela esikoleni and then sengisikoleni ngayenza now with a different approach. Ngayeke isikole ngokuthi uzoya ku internet. Because internet ayina guarantee. Siyabonga.
See my way, sesaba indaba esematheni jabujuluke wena papa pain sengandanda ngishe mafutheni sleep on me awibambe emotion gave me time for senhleze ngifomile njengebutho senhleze ngihlomile slami juice namanzi ori